Welcome back to Destination Jaleo. We are here today in Cozumel, Mexico at Paradise Beach Club. And we're going to head in, check it out. We're going to show you around a little bit. So if you're looking for a place to come in Cozumel, if you decide this is the place you want to come, you'll have a very good idea what it's like. So let's head on in and check it out. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, help us out, put us in that algorithm. We really appreciate it. Just got over 1,000 subscribers, so it was a goal of ours, and we really appreciate you guys helping out with that. But drop a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's head on in, check out Paradise Beach Club. Hola, hola everybody. Yay! Very friendly staff here, very friendly. So that's where you check in. You'll get dropped off right there where you just saw. Super friendly staff. And you actually have somebody, if you made reservations, I can't say if this is for if you didn't, but if you made reservations, they're gonna have someone kind of assigned to you to bring you out to wherever you wanna go, whether you wanna go to the beach or whether you wanna go to the pool. They're gonna kind of bring you out there and explain everything to you, how it works. We did the all-inclusive. So he kind of explained some of that to us, which was great. So I mean, we'll drop some of that footage in of when we came in earlier, but I'm here later on in the day. I'm going to walk you around. Now that I kind of got the lay of the land a little bit, I'm going to walk you around and we're going to take a look at what it looks like to be here. So hopefully a little bit of me walking and talking, a little POV, will give you a good sense of what it's like to be here. It is a beautiful facility, very well kept, very pristine grounds. Super impressed with everything itself, the service, how the place looks, how the place is kept. It's super clean, like very good, top notch. So hats off to Paradise Beach Club so far. So let's walk around. I'm going to flip you around and give you a little POV, and let's see what we can get into here. All right, so you walk up, you got a big main bar and kind of a big tiki hut. So you're immediately greeted with that, and then you got the pool area. And it's pretty busy today. We're here in the summer and beginning of August. Try to give you a good sense of what it's like here with some people. And everybody's having a good time. It's really very good vibes here, very good vibes. I can't emphasize that enough. Got the good old cabanas. If you want to rent cabanas, have a little private area. So that's the pool, very nice sized pool. They got a deeper area, and then they got the chairs in the water here. So if you want to lay in the water, you can do that. A very nice setup at the pool. Plenty of chairs, plenty of chairs. There's a lot of people here today. So as we make our way out to the beach, plenty of seating. They got chairs. That's probably like 8 or 9 rows deep of chairs. So plenty of chairs here. So don't worry about it being overcrowded. They can handle a good amount of people. Everything's very neat and organized here, so I really like that. Very professional staff. Everything was very, very efficient and professional from the minute we got here. And the staff has been excellent. The whole time we've been down at our chairs, coming over and offering us if we needed anything to drink, if we needed anything to eat, they're on top of it. And it is fast. Rapido, rapido. Everything is fast. Got our drinks very quickly, got our food very quickly. So super impressed with that. And the food is very good. They have a very large menu here for you to choose from. It's a little overwhelming, to be honest with you. So the all-inclusive has a really large menu, and I'm not used to that. You go to some all-inclusive and you're on a limited kind of menu, but this one has a very, very large menu for food and drinks. So let's walk over here. They got a very nice pier that you can walk out on good for a photo op. So I'll take you out there, show you what that looks like. We also have the adventure park pass, so I'll get to that in a minute. But over here, they have a pier and a dock. So let's take a look at that. So you come out here, pretty cool. You want to make the walk, a little warm out, but that's all right. Throw some shoes on, come on out here, and you get some really good photo ops. Apparently this is where they're doing a lot of the snorkeling. That's included in our adventure pass. Like I said, I'll get to more of that in a minute. But you walk out here, you got some swings. So really good photo ops that you can take here in video, like I'm doing. Give you a good kind of overview of the whole area here. We'll spin around. But really nice. Come out here to the Tiki Hut, got a place to sit. It looks like they're doing parasailing from here too. Everybody taking turns on the swings. People getting in and out of the water for snorkeling. And I'll give you a nice backdrop here of the whole area. So it kind of gives you an idea how big this place is. Pretty darn big. And there's a lot of people here today. End of August, kind of the last hurrah for a lot of the kids going back to school. There's a lot of families here. But this water park is like ideal for the kids. I was out there with my kid. He absolutely loved it. So beautiful. It's perfect in my opinion. I don't know if you can see it over here. They actually have like a place where you can kind of lounge out. It's almost like a lounge on the water, a floating lounge. You can sit in there. It's almost like sitting at like a picnic table. But very, very cool. Umbrellas everywhere, so those are included with your chairs. So really awesome. Great spot. And as you can see, we have an absolutely gorgeous day. Over here looks like some sort of conservation area, because there's nobody over here. Very quiet. I don't even know. I didn't try to go over there, but it looks like that's where the property ends. But I mean, how can you beat that view? Absolutely gorgeous. But we paid for this in advance. This was not through Margaritaville. This was, we went through their website to do this. So we had to get the cab. We just jumped in a cab at the port, and the cab brought us over here. The cab was $18. So $18 for us to get over here. That's 3 people. So not too bad. So it'll be 18 on the way back. So 36 bucks round trip. Not too bad. So over here you got some cabanas. If you do want a little more private setting, you want the bed. I guess more so if you have like a bunch of people, but just depends. Depends what you want. I don't know how much those are, so you could actually probably look on the website or ask when you get here. There were some available, so I don't think it's like something that sells out. So looks like there was plenty available. But as I'm walking around here, you can see that the grounds are very, very nice, very clean, very well kept. Staff is amazing. I really can't, there's not much I can say negative about Paradise Beach Club. I mean, it really is everything we wanted it to be. I know that sounds really cliche, but was it everything you hoped it would be? Yes, it was everything we hoped it would be, and more. My little dude and my wife went up into the pool. I've been out on the beach the whole time just because I love the beach, and the beach is absolutely gorgeous. So over here, another bar. So you have the big main bar, and then you got this bar here behind me. Looks like this is a lot of where they're making drinks and serving. Oop, don't want to get in their way. So a lot of the drinks that you order are going to come from this bar here if you're out on this part of the beach. So it makes them much more efficient. So they have kind of 2 bars they're operating out of. Super nice. I mean, this is our 3rd time to Cozumel. We've done a few other things, but this is our favorite. This is my favorite so far. I mean, this is just, you can't beat the all-inclusive, the service, the cleanliness, the professionalism. Like, you start to add all that up, and I mean, that stuff checks a lot of boxes. So we're super happy with it. My son likes it, and that's huge when you have littles. To find a place that even is good for the littles. This checked the boxes for him too. He really liked it. You know, sometimes there doesn't always have to be water slides and splash pads. He really just enjoys the beach. And we went out on the adventure park. So let me cover that, because I said I would come back to it. So the adventure park pass was a little extra. We paid a little bit more for that. With that, I think it was an extra $14 if I'm not mistaken. So with that, we got the adventure park inflatable water area, which I showed you. And then you also get paddle boarding and snorkeling. So you get 3 water activities included in that pass. So that's pretty darn good. Just gives us something to do other than kind of just sitting on the beach, which is nice. Work off some of that food and drinks. Let's talk about the drinks now that I mentioned it. I'm super happy with the drinks. I've had, I think, probably 5 drinks altogether. My drink of choice today, the habanero mango margarita. You could probably tell I've had 5. But they were absolutely delicious. I suggest them. I give them a thumbs up. You will be impressed with the drink menu and the choices, because there's just so many. In which, like I said, like 4 all-inclusive is crazy. The amount of choices they give here. Some places do like a buffet, and you know, buffets are good if you like buffets, but one of their signatures here is they like serving fresh food. So it's on a menu, and they'll run it to you, but it gets out quick, and they're constantly coming around asking if you need anything. So I don't need a buffet if they're that good, and they were that good. So I'm walking down the beach here. They have the chairs, nice distance to the beach. You don't feel cramped. You feel like you have plenty of space. So all in all, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. So I'll head back. We got here early, which I suggest. Get here early. If you get here early, you will get front row. And I think you probably do want front row. You know, if you're here on vacation, I'd like to be in the front row where you can see everything. So if you get here early enough, and we had to be on the boat kind of early, so we wanted to get here early to get our money's worth. But we got front row, and it was absolutely beautiful. Can't say enough good things. So super impressed. We're actually coming back here in November, and we're coming back with a bunch of people. So I'm going to suggest this, because I would 100% come back here. But unfortunately, we got to be back at the boat at 3:30, and it is now almost 2 o'clock ship time. So we're on ship time, so we're probably going to wrap it up and head on back. But overall impressions are excellent. Very glad the wifey did her research, found this place, and once I saw some videos on it, I was like, that's the spot. That's where we're going. Like I said, we've been here a few times before, and you know, we're always looking to try something new. And this was kind of a test run for us, because we're coming back in November with a bunch of people. It's just us right now, just my wife, my son, and I, it's nice to kind of cruise just the 3 of us, because we can kind of do whatever we want to do. So I'm going to walk back out. See here behind me. Pool bumping. Pool is bumping. Lots going on out there. A lot of people. Bathrooms super clean, very nice, updated. Back at the main entrance here, this is the main bar. Main bar. So I guess just depending on where you're sitting, this is where the runners are coming. But this is obviously the pool service bar here. But look at that. If you're looking behind me, if you you know, it is absolutely gorgeous. This is what you're looking for when you come to Cozumel. This is what you're looking for. Unless you want to go like on some boat excursion or snorkeling, or if you're looking for a really nice beach day, this is the spot. This is the spot. So let me walk you by here. This is the bathroom. Super nice bathrooms. Super nice. Everything is clean and pristine. Clean and pristine. But you know, I pay attention to that stuff. You feel like you're in the jungle. Like you're walking through here, and you got these nice little paths. They got some shops and whatnot, but that's it. I pretty much covered everything there is to cover here. If you are thinking about coming to Paradise Beach Club, we highly recommend it. This is hands down probably the nicest place we've been to in Cozumel out of all of our trips here, and we will be coming back here in November. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, help us out. We appreciate every single one of you that subscribes to our channel. It means so much to us. So help us out, put us in that algorithm, drop a comment below, let us know, have you been to Cozumel? What's your favorite place in Cozumel? Or have you been here? Have you been to Paradise Beach Club? We want to know. We want to know. We will answer you back. So that's it for Destination DeLeo from here at Paradise Beach Club in beautiful Cozumel, Mexico. And we will see you at our next destination. Thanks for watching.